Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a follow-up automation in GoHighLevel. Now, this will help you stay on top of your leads and never miss a chance to connect with them. But before we jump into the details, I got a special offer for you. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you will receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which will walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So first off, you're going to log into your GoHighLevel's account and you're going to head over to the sub account where you want to set up the lead follow-up campaign. So once you're in the sub account, look for the automation tab on the left menu and click it. This will take you to the workflow list page and you'll see all of your current workflows here, but we're going to create a new one. So just click the Create Workflow button in the top right corner. After that, you'll get two options: start from scratch or select a recipe. Pick the one that fits your needs the best. If you're just getting started with GoHighLevel, it's a good idea to go ahead and pick a recipe. This is going to give you a ready-made workflow that you can customize to fit your needs. But if you'd rather build your own from scratch, you can totally do that as well. For this tutorial, we'll go with the pre-built template. That's why we'll choose the first option, select a recipe. Click on it, and you'll see a bunch of template categories to pick from. Since we're creating a lead follow-up campaign, we'll need the right template for it. So scroll down to the bottom of the templates and you'll find one called Recipe No Show Nurture. Now that's the one that we'll use. Click the select under it and it will give you the workflow editor. Once you're in the editor, you can customize the template however you like. You can add or remove steps, rearrange them, or even add conditions to make it more personalized for your business. For now though, we'll leave it as it is since it works perfectly for what we need. Now, I'll show you how this template works. Inside the workflow builder, the first thing to do is rename it to something that fits your business better. At the top of the screen, click on the name field that says Recipe No Show Nurture and change it to something like Missed Appointment Follow-Up or any name that's easy to recognize. The workflow begins with a trigger. It's set to activate when the appointment status changes to no-show. So when a customer books an appointment, but they don't show up, this automation starts working right away. So once the workflow starts, the system sends an email with a link to reschedule. The email lets the customer know that they've missed their appointment and gives them an easy way to book a new one. Also, the message can be personalized, so you can include their name and you can highlight why rescheduling is important. So this makes the email feel more personal and helpful. After sending the email, the next step is to send a text message. This gives the customer another way to get the information. If they don't see the email, they'll still get the message on their phone. The text message also includes a direct link to reschedule. So this makes it super easy and convenient for the customer to take action right away. Following the SMS, there is a one-day waiting period. So this break gives the customer time to take action without feeling rushed. It's a chance for them to check their email or text and respond when they're ready. Instead of sending too many messages at once, this process gives them some breathing room. It keeps things simple and easy for the customer to follow at their own pace. After the one-day wait, another SMS is sent as a final reminder. This second SMS can be a bit more urgent. Let the customer know that they still have a chance to reschedule and encourage them to act before they miss out completely. So this is often a good way to get a response. Some people may have seen the first message, but they forget to do anything about it. So at this point, the workflow stops. If the customer replies and reschedules, they're taken out of the automation. But if they don't respond, they could be added to another follow-up sequence or contacted manually. It all depends on how the business wants to handle missed appointments. This simple workflow works well because it gives leads who missed an appointment more chances to re-engage. So this increases the likelihood of turning them into paying customers. Now, once you're happy with your workflow, click on the green Publish button in the top right corner to activate it. And that's it for this video. I hope that you have found it helpful helpful and informative. If you want to try GoHighLevel, just click the link in the description below. And if you use my affiliate link, remember, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. And on top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.